Rocket Lab has collapsed minus 10.79% to $102.39, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Monday, June 15th, and this is your complete global market briefing. The market is lacking a clear catalyst today, leading to choppy, two-way price action. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading higher by plus 0.50% at $7,431.46. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. NASDAQ 100 edged higher plus 0.64% to $29,636. Investor sentiment is being shaped by GOT $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they soar once again, the motley fool. Dow Jones is trading higher by plus 0.70% at $51,202. Equity markets are responding to reports that Brent slumps below $84 a barrel as Trump says Iran deal complete, Strait of Hormuz to reopen NDTV profit. DAX is up plus 1.10%, trading at $24,906. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 is little changed, hovering near $10,476. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 10.79% to $102.39. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Rocket Lab stock forecast. Why could matter more than the SpaceX IPO, trading key? Toyota made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.58% to $2,902.50. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Tokyo to lift EV subsidy up to $8,100, with Toyota and Tesla set to benefit, Nikkei Asia. Samsung surged plus 4.50% to $337,000 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as ARI boom fuels memory chip crunch. BHP surged plus 3.58% to $65.18 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by BHP made more money from copper than iron ore for the first time ever, Finimize. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Equity markets are responding to reports that Brent slumps below $84 a barrel as Trump says Iran deal complete, Strait of Hormuz to reopen NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude plunged to $82.96 per barrel, down 5% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC again lowers 2026 global oil demand growth forecast. WTI crude plunged to $80.26 per barrel, down 5.44% on the session. The move follows reports that OPEC again lowers 2026 global oil demand growth forecast. Natural gas dropped sharply to $3.03, down 2.85% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold surged to $4,360.80 per troy ounce, up 3.46% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold slumps to 6-month low even as inflation fears rise. Here's why bullion is out of favor. Let us give you our near-term view on Rocket Lab. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Rocket Lab is around $96.25. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.29% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.1% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.12, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to European weapons used against India. US urged Russian oil purchases after Ukraine war. Jaishankar, ETV Bharat. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.